This is a maths question from JEE Main 2025 paper in which many students made two mistakes. First, they mistook the angle to be in degrees, and second, they didn't write the correct expression for under root 1 plus tan square theta for the given condition. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Excelsior JEE-PM. I am here to guide you to avoid these types of silly mistakes in JEE Main and Advanced questions, which will ultimately improve your problem solving skills. I will be providing solutions to medium to hard previous year questions of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, specifically from physics and math subjects. And for each question, I will be highlighting the common mistakes, hidden concepts, and useful tips that will boost your JEE exam preparation. I am currently working as an executive engineer at NTPC Limited, which is one of the Maharatna PSUs in India. And I have been through the same phase as you are in right now. I made the same mistakes just like any other student in his exams, and I faced similar challenges in my JEE exam preparation. But I believe that from my personal experience, I will provide you trusted guidance for your JEE exams journey. And you will see this from the very first video on previous year question, and you will realize what you are going to get from this channel. So hit that subscribe button, like this video and share it among your friends, and let's excel the JEE exams together. I thank you for your time and for your patience. We will meet again.